In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix column in Google Sheet. If you've ever scrolled to the right in a large spreadsheet and lost sight of important labels like names, IDs, or categories, this quick technique will keep that key information visible at all times. In Google Sheets, this is called freezing a column, and it's perfect for keeping reference data locked in place while you browse the rest of your sheet. Start by opening your spreadsheet and identifying the column you want to keep visible. Look at the gray letter boxes at the top of your sheet. Click directly on the letter of the column, such as A or B. When you click the letter, the entire column becomes highlighted. That tells you you're selecting the whole column, not just one cell. If you only click inside a single cell, you won't get the result you want. So make sure that letter at the top is selected. Next, go to the top menu and choose View. From there, hover over or click Freeze to open the freeze options. You'll see two choices that matter here: one column and up to current column. Pick one column if you only want the very first column, column A, to stay in place. This is great when your leftmost column contains things like names or unique identifiers, and you just need that single reference as you move around. Choose up to current column when you want to freeze more than the first column. For example, if you want columns A through C to stay visible, first click the letter C to select it, then go to View, Freeze, and choose Up to Current Column. That tells Google Sheets to lock everything from the first column up to the one you selected. It's a fast way to keep multiple related fields like first name, last name, and department all pinned to the left. Once you apply the freeze, you'll notice a subtle, thicker gray boundary line between the frozen columns and the rest of the sheet. Now, when you scroll horizontally, everything to the left of that line stays put. This makes reading and comparing data much easier, especially in wide spreadsheets. A quick tip to avoid confusion: freezing a column affects horizontal scrolling. If you're trying to keep top headers visible while you scroll down, that's a separate option for rows. For columns, the steps we just covered are exactly what you need. That's it. Click the column letter, go to View, Freeze, and choose the option that matches how many columns you want to keep visible. With this simple move, your key labels will always be in sight, so you can navigate your sheet with confidence.